How to change wallpaper in Mac. Changing the wallpaper on your Mac is simple, and here is how you can do it. Just by using the right click on desktop. First of all, unlock your Mac and right click on the desktop. There you'll get to see a drop down menu. Select change wallpaper from it. Now, once you are inside the changing wallpaper section, here choose your preferred wallpaper from Apple's collection or from your own images as well. You will need to download it in order to use it. So once done so, if you want your own images, then simply tap on add photos option available there. Then after add photos, simply tap on from photos and scroll through your photos and tap on the photo you want to keep as a wallpaper. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.